Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an API key for Gemini in the Google AI Studio. So once you're inside it, you want to go ahead and click Get API Key on the upper left hand side, and here you have the option to create API key. So simple click on that, and as you can see, it's for Gemini as well. So you will see immediately that it start to generate those API keys, and once it finish generates, you will be able to copy that API key. And if you click the X towards the right hand side, you will see that you have the API key list below, and you can also go ahead and click on the API key here, and it will take you over to Google API key and services, and you can basically find your API key here as well, right? And that's basically it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to create API key for Gemini AI in the Google AI Studio.